To convert from decimal to scientific notation for a number greater than 10, start at the location where the decimal point actually is, or where it would be, which is to the right of the ones place. Then, move the decimal point to the left until it lands between the first two numbers. We move the decimal point 3 places, so our exponent will be 3. When we write this number in scientific notation, it becomes 1.231 times 10 to the 3. For a number between 0 and 1, start at the location where the decimal point is. Then, move the decimal point to the right until it lands between the first two non-zero digits, which in this case is the 1 and the 2. We moved the decimal point 3 places, so the value of our exponent will be a 3, and the sign will be negative, because the number is between 0 and 1. When we write this number in scientific notation, it becomes 1.231 times 10 to the negative 3. When converting from scientific to decimal notation, first look at the exponent. This numerical value equals the total factors of 10 we have to consider. Then, start at the decimal point and move it this number of places to the right, if possible. Here, we were only able to move 3 places, which means we need 1 more place, or 1 added 0, to equal the 4 total factors shown by the exponent. When we write this number in decimal notation, it becomes 12310. Without a terminal decimal point, there are 4 significant figures, which is how many were expressed in the original scientific notation. We are converting from scientific notation, so we look at the value of the exponent. This numerical value equals the total factors of 10 we have to consider, which for this example is 5. Because the sign of the exponent is negative, we start at the decimal point and move it 1 place to the left, which will always be our only option. The value of the exponent here is greater than 1, so we have to move it over 4 more places to equal the 5 factors of 10 shown by the exponent. When we write our decimal notation, we start with a leading 0 and a decimal point, then our 4 added zeros, and get 0.00001231.